Fall is here, and that means that fall skin is here with it. We want to make sure that we're looking our best, and that means maybe taking a little extra time, a little extra care during the colder months that are about to be upon us. And today, we're checking in with Jenna Mazour, a derm provider with Catalyst Medical Center and Clinical Spa. Jenna, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, we love to talk about self-care here on North Dakota today, and the changing of the seasons definitely means a change in how we take care of our skin. Before we jump into some great advice and some of the great services that you guys have, if people are not familiar with Catalyst, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so Catalyst Medical Center provides a variety of services, not only dermatology, but also ENT. Dr. Matheson is a plastic surgeon, and she also does sleep medicine as well. We also want to think of the patient as a whole and provide family medicine services as well.
Okay, so you really do cover all aspects. Dermatology care as well.
Yes.
It could be a serious medical profession or problem. Because I wanted to jump right into what I can do to have better skin, when it comes to changing of the seasons. Can you talk a little bit to that? There are so many people at home who are saying, I'm feeling some differences in my skin now that it's October.
Absolutely. So with the colder weather, we're going to have drier weather, especially up north here. So we're more prone to dry skin, flaky skin. This month is Eczema Awareness Month, so we're finding that we're starting to have flares associated with eczema. What we want to do is primarily moisturize and find a good moisturizer for you that does not cause excess oily skin.
Okay, because tell us what happens then. Sometimes we try to go and do too much, and then we cause problems for overdoing it.
Yes, a good example is what we're doing now is wearing masks. We're harboring in bacteria and causing maskne. When we have excess moisture, excess oil, we're going to have that excess acne. So making sure that you're doing a non-comedogenic moisturizer that is non-oil based and prevents that from occurring. Or is there other issues going on that we need to treat? So when something's not working, you want to see a provider for that.
Yeah, exactly. We sometimes spend too much time on social media, and we think that we know exactly what's going on and what new products we should buy straight off of Facebook, but that's not always a good idea. Most of the time, that's not a good idea.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit about some of the other...
A lot of my younger patients...
Go ahead.
A lot of my younger patients are, say something about TikTok, social media, and what they're seeing, skin peels, all of that. And what's happening is that some people are producing chemical burns, and that's something that we can help them out with too.
Oh my goodness. It's actually like you're talking to my daughter. I have a 12-year-old, and everything is, on TikTok. They did this. So you're completely right. And then we hear about those TikTok challenges and such too, and kids can really get in trouble. But you just brought up younger kids on TikTok. When we're talking about skin and talking about Catalyst, there's no age that can't go to Catalyst, right?
Correct. We see patients of all ages, genders, you name it.
And I'm familiar with the local location. Can you tell us, now you have a location in Detroit Lakes?
Yeah, Dr. Matheson has actually had a location there for the past 19 years, but I am a DL native now, and so I provide service there every Monday and will continue to increase days based off of demand out there. And then I'm also in Fargo Tuesday through Friday.
Okay, so tell us, I see the address up on the screen right now for the Detroit Lakes location. Can you tell us your Fargo location as well? And what's the best way if you want to reach out, just to give you guys a call?
Yeah, give us a call. It's the same number for both locations, 701-365-8700. Or if you prefer, you can make an appointment at our website at www.catalystmedicalcenter.com.
And when we talk about some of the other treatments and services that you guys have, I feel like this is a good time to do it because we're not out in the sun, not out on the lake as much as we are. It seems like I hear a lot from my dermatology friends that this is the time to start talking about doing some different treatments.
Yeah, so primarily we want patients to get a full or baseline full body skin check, and then there's several treatment options that we can talk about based off of that. But getting that primary full basic skin screening is ideal to prevent skin cancers, and any concern that you have that coincides with your skin, we can talk about it at that time. At a yearly basis, that is the best time because there's always stuff that pops up, and so getting that baseline would be ideal.
Well, Jenna, so great to visit with you today. I appreciate your time and time to make your appointment. Your dermatologist can be your best friend for so many different reasons. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Stay with us. Coming up next here on North Dakota Today, we talked about fall skin. We're also going to be talking about fall fashion. Once again, we have Pantone colors to cover next with our fashion expert, Aji Burr.